Alright, so what's up guys, Vladsly here, and I'm bringing you a quick video today showing you some wheel choices. So first up is the 2.8 inch Badlands. As you can see, it has some very big, thick cubes. This is in the M2 compound, mounted on Desperado rims. I think it's a very good tire. It gets a lot of grip on loose surfaces. I would definitely recommend it. It is much heavier than the stock Traxxas 2.2 tires. So I have two of these, and I also got these 2.8 trenchers, which they just look super badass. So I like how they look, and they get very good tread and everything. These are also mounted on 2.8 inch Desperado rims. So I think they're a very good rim and tire. This gets a lot of rooster tails going, a lot of wheel spin. I would also definitely recommend these to anybody looking for tires. So I'm going to mount these on my Slash 4x4, and then I will let you guys know how it looks and how it drives. Alright, so here's the walk around of the vehicle. As you can see, they are very, very big tires. And I would say they work very well, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody looking for tires. So here are the 2.8 Badlands and the trenchers. So yeah, definitely recommend them. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and have a nice day.